Welcome back to Moter Vision, the channel where passion meets performance, and where we take you deep inside the latest innovations in the world of automobiles. If you love classics reborn with a modern soul, today's review is going to blow your mind. We're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a legendary icon reborn with a twist of modern design, technology, and electric performance. Let's take a ride into the past, shaped for the future. The Karmann Ghia was never just a car, it was an expression. First introduced in the 1950s, it blended German engineering with Italian design, offering a sporty look at an accessible price. Fast forward to 2025, and Volkswagen has brought the Karmann Ghia back, this time as an all-electric coupe that pays homage to its classic roots while embracing a sleek, futuristic identity. And yes, it's every bit as stunning as we hoped. From the outside, the new Karmann Ghia retains the original's signature curves and silhouette, but it's been widened slightly for a more aggressive stance. The LED lighting front and rear is sharply contoured but subtle enough to not overpower the car's elegant retro lines. The front grille area is minimalist, as you'd expect from an EV, but Volkswagen cleverly added subtle chrome accents to give it that old-school charm. The two-door coupe body is sleek and aerodynamic, with flush door handles and a gracefully sloping roofline that flows right into the rear deck. The badge sits proudly in front, and make no mistake, this is a car that turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, is Volkswagen's latest MEB platform. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is fully electric and offers a single-motor rear-wheel drive layout, delivering around 280 horsepower and 400 Newton-meters of torque. It's not a rocket, but that's not the point. This is a grand tourer. It glides, it flows, and it connects you with the road in a way few modern EVs do. The 0 to 100 km/h time clocks in under 6 seconds, and the top speed is limited to 200 km/h. With a 77 kWh battery pack, the range hovers around 480 km on a full charge, making it perfect for weekend escapes or stylish city cruising. Let's talk about the interior. Step inside and you're met with a cabin that is equal parts nostalgia and next-gen design. The dashboard is clean and minimalist, with circular digital displays that pay tribute to the analog gauges of the original. A slim, floating touchscreen handles infotainment duties, complete with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The seats are wrapped in eco-leather with retro stitching, offering a low-slung and sporty driving position. Ambient lighting adds a modern touch, with color themes that shift based on driving mode. There's even a nod to the past with an analog-style clock mounted in the center, blending history with high-tech. Volkswagen didn't just bring back the Karmann Ghia for show, it comes equipped with all the modern safety features you'd expect. In 2025, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous path. Despite being a compact coupe, it's surprisingly practical. The front trunk, or frunk, offers decent storage for small bags, and the rear seats fold down to create more cargo space in the back. It's not a family hauler, but it's more functional than many expect. One of the best things about the new Karmann Ghia is how it drives. The steering is responsive, with a light yet communicative feel, and the suspension strikes a perfect balance between sporty stiffness and daily comfort. Volkswagen has done an amazing job tuning the ride to evoke the joy of driving, not just the efficiency of commuting. It's the kind of car that makes you want to take the long way home, every time. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't trying to compete with hardcore sports cars or luxury grand tourers. Instead, it offers something far more unique: emotional design, nostalgic storytelling, and a smooth electric driving experience. It's not loud, it's not aggressive, but it's undeniably beautiful. It's a piece of rolling art that captures hearts while staying relevant to the modern automotive landscape. Pricing for the 2025 Karmann Ghia starts around $48,000, depending on trim and optional packages. It's not cheap, but it's also not aiming to be a mass-market electric hatchback. This is a passion project, and if you love design, heritage, and the experience of driving, this might just be your dream EV. That's all for today's review on Moter Vision. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any future content. Drop a comment below. What do you think of the 2025 Karmann Ghia? Would you pick this over other EVs in its class, or is it more of a collector's dream? Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your wheels spinning and your passion roaring.